Hello children, this is 8th standard maths, chapter name is algebraical expression and identity, exercise 9.3. Fifth one, add p into p minus q, comma q into q minus r and r into r minus p. So we have to add p into p is p square minus p into q is pq, okay, plus q into q square is q square, q into r is minus qr, plus, because addition, r into r is r square minus r into p is r p. Okay, p into p is p square minus p into q is pq plus q into q is q square, then minus q into r is qr plus r into r is r square minus rp. Now p square minus, remove the bracket, minus pq plus into q square is q square as it is. Now plus into minus is minus qr plus r square, minus plus into minus is minus rp. Now write the square numbers together and other numbers. Which one? P square, q square, r square. So write p square plus p square plus q square plus r square. Okay, p square, q square, r square, which are in a square. Then remaining letters pq, qr and rp. So minus pq, then minus qr, then minus rp. This is the answer. P square, q square, r square, minus pq, minus qr, minus rp. This is the answer. Now fifth main, C, subtract 3l into l minus 4m plus 5n from 4l into 10n minus 3m to l. So one method we can write what is given with the from, that we have to write first for a subtraction, then next term. Or another method means write as it is from lm and simplify and write, then next write the from one first. So here I am simplifying first, then writing from number first. Now 3l into l is 3l square minus 3 into 4 multiplying, no, 3 into 4 is 3 4s are 12, l into m is lm, simplification, okay. Then plus 3 into 5 means multiplying monomial with each term, okay. 3 into 5, 3 5s are 15, l into n is ln. Then from 4 means monomial with each term you have to multiply, simplification here now. 4 into 10, first multiply the number, 4 10s are 40, l into n is ln, minus 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12, l into m is lm, plus 4 into 2 is 8, l into l is l square. Now subtraction means what is given with the from, that we have to write first, then next number. So write what is given with the from, 40ln minus 12ln plus 8l square. Okay, 40ln minus 12ln plus 8l square. Subtraction means minus symbol we have to write. Then from number, from expression we written here, then next expression we have to write here. 3l square minus 12lm plus 15ln. Now simplification again here. 40 into ln is 40 ln. Now simplification here. 40 into ln is 40 ln minus 12lm as it is plus 8l square minus 3l square, minus into plus is minus 3l square, then minus into minus is plus 12lm, minus into plus is minus 15ln. Here we multiply the minus with the this expression. Minus into 3 is minus 3l square, minus into minus is plus 12lm, minus into plus is minus 15ln. Now simplification, any like terms are there or same term? Look at here, 40ln minus 12ln, then 8l square minus 3l square, these two are like term. plus 12m, this is like term, and these two are like term. Like term means the same variables, means same letters. Only like terms we can add or subtract. So in algebraical expression only like terms we can add or subtract. So check the like terms. Minus 12lm plus 12lm, both are lm, so this is a like term. Then 40ln, this is one like term, and minus 15ln. So we can add or subtract like terms. Then another one is 8l square minus 3l square. This is also like term. So simplify that. So answer is 40ln minus 15ln. 40 minus 15 means how much? 25 ln. 40 ln minus 15 ln means 25 ln. Greater number is 40, symbol is plus. And minus 12 lm plus 12 lm is cancelled because plus and 0. Then like term here 8l square minus 3l square. Both are l square. So this is like term. Variables are same. Now 8 and minus 3 means how much? Plus 5. Greater number symbol is plus. So 5 subtraction l square. Answer is 25 ln plus 5 l square. Exercise 9.4. First main, in that multiply the binomials 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. In previous exercise we multiply monomial with the binomial or trinomial or means polynomial. So multiplication of monomial means multiplying monomial with the each term of binomial or given expression, each term. Now multiplying binomial with binomial. Here multiplication of binomial with binomial means multiplying first term with the, we have to multiply first term with the second whole group. What is the rule? Multiplying first term with second whole group means 2x with 4x minus 3. Then multiplying second term with the second whole group with 5 with 4x minus 3 means multiplication of 2x with 4x minus 3, then plus 5 with 4x minus 3. Now multiplication note, you write this note in your notes, children. Means multiplication of binomial. How to multiply? Multiply first term with second whole group and multiply second term with second whole group. For example, 3x plus 2y and 3x minus 4y means multiply first term 3x with whole group. Multiply first term with the second whole group. Multiply 3x with whole group and 2y with whole group. Okay. 3x with the second expression whole group, 3x minus 4y. Then we have to multiply plus 2y with, bracket means multiplying 2y with second whole group, 3x minus 4y. Multiply first term with second whole group, 3x into 3x minus 4y and plus 2y into second whole group, 3x minus 4y. This is a multiplication of binomial rows. Now multiplication of polynomial by polynomial, distribute each term of first polynomial to every term of the second polynomial means. And remember that when you multiply two terms together, you must multiply the coefficient number and add the exponent. Coefficient means numerals, numbers, and add the exponent. Now exercise 9.4, multiplication of binomial. Multiply the binomial. Now the first term with the second whole group, second term with the second whole group. There is a multiplication of binomial rule. Now 2x with 4x minus 3, 2x into, bracket means into, and 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 with 4x minus 3. 2x into 4x minus 3 plus 5 with 4x minus 3 equal. Multiply the numbers first. 2 4s are 8. X into x is x square means power 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus, so here minus symbol, minus. 2 3s are 6. So 2x into 3 is 6x plus 5 4s are 20. 5 into 4. Then 5 into 4x means 20x. Now here symbol plus. Plus into minus is minus. 5 3s are 15. Any like term other? Because only like term we can add or subtract in an algebraical expression. So this is x. How to find the like term means a variables x square, and here x and x both are same letter. So this is the like term. Okay, same letter means that is a letter algebraic. Say like terms. Now equal 8x square minus 6x plus 20x means how much? Plus 14x, then minus 15. This is the answer. In that fourth question, multiply the binomials a into a plus 3b and 7x plus 5. So multiplication of binomials a plus 3b into ax plus 5 together, right together. A plus 3b into x plus 5 multiplication of bracket means multiply. How to multiply? First term with second whole group and second term with second whole group. With a we have to multiply x plus 5 and with b3b we have to multiply x plus 5. So a with answer is a into x plus 5, that whole group, and plus 3b, second term with x plus 5. A into x plus 5 plus 3b into x plus 5. Now multiply. A into x is ax plus a into 5 is 5a plus 3 into b, 3b into x means 3bx plus 3b into 5 means multiply the number first. 3 5s are 15b. This is the answer, children. Now third question, 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5L. We have to multiply this. And so multiplication of binomial. The third question, 2.5L minus 0.5M multiplication means bracket and 2.5L plus 0.5M multiplication of binomial means first term with second whole group and second term with second whole group we have to multiply. Okay, so 2.5L with second expression whole, 2.5L plus 0.5M second whole group we have to multiply, and minus 0.5M with second expression. Multiply 0.5M with whole expression, 2.5L plus 0.5M. Okay, now here 2.5 into 2.5. 2.5 into 2.5 means 25 is a 625, no? So we get 6.25 means after one number point. So this is after 2-digit point. Multiply and see 2.5 into 2.5 you get 6.25. L into L is L square plus multiply 2.5 into 0.5 and check the answer how much. How much, children? 1.25. 2.5 into 0.5 means 1.25. L into M is LM minus 0.5 into 2.5 means same 1.25 again. M into L means LM. Now minus into plus is minus. 0.5 into 0.5 means 5 5 is a 25, no? 25 0 after 2-digit point means point. Okay, 0.5 into 0.5 means after multiplication you get 0.25. Then M into M is M square. Now any like term is there? 1.25 LM, 1.25 LM, LM both are like term. This is L square, M square, so unlike term. So 1.2 plus 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM will be cancelled because plus and minus 0. Now answer is 6.25 L square, remaining 6.25 L square and minus 0.25 M square is the answer.